Morning everyone, I hope you all are well, and in this video I'm going to break down what's going on market and how we can plan the trades according to this market. So let's get begin. If we say in the BTC in daily time frame, we can see BTC is in right now in a daily demand zone. This is a demand zone and these all liquidities has been entered. I told you tomorrow that you can plan for short time from here, so that's exactly the same thing happened. So right now what we can do in 4 hour, we can see this is a demand zone. This is a demand zone where market is trying to push up. Okay, so in 1 hour time frame we can see, well, let's see, and right now market can come just do retracement or can go downside can can do something like this. Let me show you. If market do something then breaks of structure, then create a demand zone, then go upside and hunt all the liquidity of upside. But right now what we can do in 30 minutes, let's say 30 minutes, what is you have to wait for a pattern. You have to wait for the pattern. So you see in 15 minutes time frame, market is literally like consolidating right now. If something happen like it comes like liquidity shipping, then a little bit of retracement, then come down a demand zone in shorter term frame, then you can go like this. This would be the target, and let me tell you, this is for scalping purpose. Okay, but the amount is crazy, it is gonna be crazy. So let's see what can happen. In 15 minutes you have to wait for 15-minute candle closure, then go to the shorter time frame for confirmation, then go upside and target this liquidity, target this supply levels. This is gonna be target. Then what you can do, then if it's like do some retracement, you have to book the profits of your. Then if it do something like this, then go upside, and if it's not, then it can go downside like this. So you have to wait for confirmation, then go upside. Right now it's just consolidating, and let's see what can happen. Let's talk about Ethereum. What's going on Ethereum in daily time frame. Let me remove all these things. In daily time frame, we can say these all are liquidity that has been swapped. Okay, this liquidities has been swapped, and now this is a support area, just a little bit support area, or you can say demand. Okay, so this is a demand zone in daily time frame. In 4 hour time frame, we can see these are all liquidities, almost done all the liquidities, but Ethereum actually follows the BTC, so you have to wait what is going on BTC. So these are pending liquidities. It can come here and then go upside, but it's in 4 hour time frame. So right now if you want to scalp, what you can do, you have to wait for the confirmation. Like you see, this liquidity is also done. These are also done. So you go to the 30 minute, and in 30 minutes, let's say, so BTC, actually Ethereum follows BTC, so you have to wait for what BTC can do. So after that you have to wait, like if it's come like this, then go upside from like this. Then you can plan from here also, like if it comes to like this. Okay, so if it comes like this, do some retracement and go downside, but it depends on BTC. Okay, this is for Ethereum, and if you want to do some like BTC, you can, if you want to scalp for a long side trade, because this is a crazy amount, so you have to wait for confirmation in short time frame. Like you have to wait for break of these levels, then you can plan from buy side for Ethereum. This is for Ethereum. Let's say what is going on gold. These are all liquidity has been swept. If we see in daily time frame, let me remove all these things. Okay, weekly time frame BTC is gold is extremely bullish, and in Pora in daily time frame we can see this is a demand zone. Actually it's dust. Okay, it's actually has been dust. In 4-hour time frame we can see this is being swept, and right now market is trying to go hunt these all levels. Okay, so right now let's go into this type of this is a it can come here or it can't be, so we have to wait. Okay, if we see in 1-hour time frame, this is also actually this liquidity has been swept. In 30 minutes we can see market can come like from like here. These are already, but also a break of structure. So if market break this level, do some resistance, then go downside from here, like this. And if it's not happen, so what you can do right now, if it's come here, then you can go downside from here also, because this is a supply level where market is trying to go downside. Okay, so if you do retrace this level, then you can plan from like this. This is gonna be target, but the first target gonna be this. Okay, so you have to take profit, because this is a demand zone also. I would not recommend that this is a proper demand zone, because lots of liquidities is down here. These are all liquidities that market can hunt. Sorry for my mouse is not properly working. So so you have to wait for come this, then go downside. Okay, so this is for gold right now. Say one more thing, but you have to really careful, because market is literally bullish right now. So let's talk about US oil. What's going on US oil? As I say tomorrow, this is actually these are the levels where market is trying to go upside. So market does this level in 4-hour time frame, then it do retracement in 1-hour time frame, but this is not a proper retracement because no demand zone, but it went from this FBCs, or you can say this is a gap from there's a gap. So market is trying to go upside. Okay, if it's come to this level, then you can plan for upside. If it's like come here, then you can plan from here, you can plan for a buy side momentum like this. This is for US oil right now. Okay, let's talk about ZU. What's going on ZU? Let me remove all these things. In daily time frame we can see the same pattern, liquidity sweep, and 4-hour, go to the 4-hour, break of structure, one break, this is a break of structure, and this is also a break of structure in 4-hour time frame. Okay, so if we see in 1-hour time frame, let me tell you, it looks messy, but let's see in high time frame. It's literally looks messy, and these all are liquidity is performing. So it can go upside, but if it's come to like this, come here, because these are like liquidities, okay, these are like lots of liquidities performing. So you have to wait for if it's performed like this, then go downside, because lots of liquidity is down here. And even if it comes these supply levels, then you can plan for downside, but you have to confirm in low time like 15 minutes. Okay, and this is for ZU right now. It's actually lots of messy. Not proper demand zone in ZU, but you can plan for this on these liquidities, then need demand zone, and you can plan from here for a buy side trade. I will explain it another day. Then let's talk about what's going on. You say I already told you this supply level has been broken. This supply level actually broken. Then in daily time frame, in 4-hour time frame, we can see these are the levels I already marked. So this is one of the 4-hour demand zone. If it comes like this, let's see, this zone is mitigated, but if it comes like this in 1 hour, okay, in 4 hour, 1 hour, if it comes here, do some retracement, then go upside and hunt all those liquidities, and you can see these are the supply levels where you can set targets. Okay, this is for UJ right now, but the first target gonna be is here if it comes like this. Okay, so but in 30 minutes, let's see. No, actually trying to go from this demand zone, but not proper because lots of and you can even plan a short strike trade, but I would not recommend it. So you have to wait for come here, do some retracement, then go upside. And let's talk about ZZ. What's going on ZZ? Okay, remove all the things. Weekly supply level is here, already touched, but I think the liquidity is upside is in here, so trying to go upside, market is trying to go upside, and let's see what's going on right now. So in 4 hour we can see this is a supply levels where market is trying to go downside. Okay, so if it comes here, no, this comes here, then you can plan for upside trade. Here do some adjustment and go upside. Okay, this is for ZZ right now, but if you want to do short strike trade in ZZ, not proper supply levels, but let's see. If it's come here, then you can plan from here, because this is a breakup structure has been done in ZZ. So this is for ZZ right now. Lots of liquidities is down there. Actually these are all liquidities, but I'm not gonna recommend these all liquidities until unless it comes here. This is for ZZ. Okay, let's talk about US30. What's going on US30? In daily time frame, market is upside and trying to retrace. Okay, so this is supply levels in 4-hour time frame. Already been touched, maybe no. So if it comes here, do some retracement, then go upside. Okay, it's gonna be scary because market is trying to go downside, but let's see. If it's happened like this, then you can plan for upside trade because market is literally bullish right now. And you can target these mid levels. Okay, this is for US 30 right now. What is, I don't know. Yes, this is done. So this is for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then do thumbs up and subscribe for more. So till then, bye bye.